Today we're going to be talking about the 24th Pauri from Japji Sahib. And the 24th Pauri is fascinating. Ant na sifti, kanan na ant, na karna, dinan na ant. Guru Nanak is getting into this ecstatic view that everything is endless. There's no end. There's no end to what gets created. There's no end to what the Creator gives. There's no end to what we can see. There's no end to what we can hear. He's really trying to express poetically what infinity looks like and feels like there is no end to it. But then we get to this really interesting line in the 24th Pauri. Eo anta na jane koi, bahuta kaya, bahuta hui. Okay? What does this mean? So this, and when we're talking about this, he's referring to the whole poetic verse that comes beforehand, talking about all the things that have no end in creation. So ant is end, and na is no or none. Okay? So together, this term means endless. All right? This endlessness, the fact that the universe, the creator, the creation never ends, jane koi. Jane is to know, and koe is can. So it's a profound statement he's making that what we try and know. We try and know God. We try and know the universe. We try and know life. And knowledge means I get to define it. But the moment I define it, there's a limit. The moment I define it, there's an end. And he says, no, that's not the way to look at it. If you can understand the endlessness of creation, the endlessness of the divine, that's the thing you can know. So the moment your mind puts a limit, it's already not God. It's already not divine, because God and divinity have no end to them. Bahuta kaya, bahuta hoy. Bahuta is more or many. Kaya is to say. And again, more or many. And then hoy is just kind of a verb form, like happens. All right? So when it comes to language, when it comes to how we talk, the more that happens, the more we can talk about it. So our talking is not to define or end or limit the creation. Our talking is to reflect that things just keep happening. And the more that happens, the more we have to say. The more that happens, the more we have to say. But what we can know is that there is no end to what the Creator does.